You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hello and welcome to Lucky Mini Food.
Welcome indeed. I would say you've set up a really nice festive kitchen.
Decorated for Christmas and in the spirit.
And then what's the plan now?
So as we promised, of course, we're going to make tacos.
Tacos.
And these are actual taco shells cut to size.
Okay, excellent.
And then we have some meat, which is actually steak.
Steak, ooh.
And refried beans.
Okay.
We have some taco seasoning. And Ortega taco sauce.
Wow, that's a lot of ingredients. And over to the left then we have tomatoes and onions, 2 kinds of cheese, cilantro and lettuce. There's lots of chopping and grating we're gonna have to do.
Yes.
So first I think we need to get our taco shells made. So why don't you get the
I'll
oil
put the
going, the
oil.
oven's ready. And then we will come back. I would say a good chunk in there. Yeah, we need to kind of
fry it,
yeah.
right?
All right, so we'll come back and make our own taco shells.
Okay. Alright, we're back. I'm going to start frying up the tortilla shells, and Dad's going to cut some onions.
That's exciting. I get the cry. I'm the one that's going to shed some tears, right?
Yeah.
I'll try to do as much prep as I can here.
Okay. Let's get... Alright, first one is going in here.
Alright, I'll get the skin off this onion.
Okay.
Now you want to kind of let it get a little brown on that side.
Okay.
And then you're going to flip it over, and then after you flip it over, you gotta bend it.
Okay.
Give it a little time. Yeah, I need to cook a little. That gives me time to do this. Now we were talking earlier that you learn to make tacos from us, so you have the toppings that you like, right?
Yes.
And
everyone has different preferences.
I'm sure, especially if you don't like onion, and you don't use onion. If you don't like tomato, then you wouldn't use tomato, right?
Yep. Okay, how does it look here?
Let me see the bottom. A little bit longer.
Alright.
Alright, so we'll keep checking back. Yeah, we'll keep checking back when it's ready, and then what you're going to do is flip and bend.
Okay.
So we'll be back in just a second. I'll keep chopping away. I'll do the tomato next. We'll see you in a few seconds. I'm going to cut up just a little bit more onion for everybody here.
Okay, I think it's ready to flip. Let's see?
Yep, flip it over.
Good.
And now bend.
Okay, let me get another tool in here.
You might have to hold it a second until it holds its shape,
Okay. Ooh.
Yep. Let it cook like that. Now you can also just take the whole thing and turn it over and cook both sides. It kind of...
Let's let that side cook a little bit more.
Alright, so we're going to keep going on our shells. I'm just going to switch to maybe the tomato. I'll do the tomato next.
Okay.
And we'll keep checking back.
Alright, taco shell number 1 is done.
Looks good. You got to get that extra oil out of there. Now we're using peanut oil, right?
Yes, this is peanut oil.
Okay. Tomato 1 almost done.
Looks good.
Yeah, start
Nice,
up another one.
Crunchy. Alright.
How many do you want to do all together? 4?
Let's see. Yeah, 4 is a good number.
We'll do these 2 on camera and then we'll do the other 2 off camera. How's that?
Okay.
We don't want to bore them with our cooking,
Oh.
Ooh, I like that sound.
Yeah, it's always...
It's sizzling really good. What I like about these little bowls is they stack and lock. Alright, so let me cut some lettuce. So how long did it take you to decorate the kitchen here?
Not too long.
Not too long?
Pulled out a few decorations.
I noticed you cleaned the stovetop too.
Oh yeah.
You want to move the pan and show everybody how nice you got that clean?
Look at how pretty it is
Nice.
now.
We were letting it go for a little while there, weren't we?
Yeah, we might have to do that more often.
Yeah, I think so. Well, we're just kind of getting used to our kitchen, huh?
Look at this little motion right here. It's like dancing, little buggy.
A little buggy. That looks more like a heartbeat to me. It's like doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Alright, I just have to cut the cilantro and I think I'm ready to grate the cheese. So most of this is done. Let me wipe this off. When you think you're ready to flip and go for it.
Alright.
You know, I never used to like cilantro. It's something that I never had often, but now I love it. I thought maybe too I'll put some Christmas music on underneath just to get us all in the spirit. How's that sound?
Ooh, Christmas music.
Yeah, for the video. Alright, that is cut. Alright, so your second shell is going. Those are cool. So when we come back then, we're going to switch over to the meat. And while you're doing the meat, I'll probably take care of the cheeses. But we're getting all of our toppings ready, so we'll be back in a little bit. Our taco shells came out really nice. Great job. So I'll move those over to the table.
Alright, and then I'm going to start on the meat. I'm going to start out with some oil.
Okay.
Is that good? Yeah, that's good. Okay, and then the meat. Just going to scoop it in here. Okay. It smells good.
Okay, so as you're cooking that, I'm going to start getting some cheese ready. Now, our queso cheese is all crumbly and set, but I need to grate this. Let me see. Here we go. I like a lot of cheese on mine. What about you?
Yeah, I like cheese.
Okay, so that meat's going to take some time.
Yep.
So I'll keep going on. I'll keep going on the cheese. You got to get that brown before you put any seasoning in.
Okay.
So we're gonna brown that up. Come check back, and we'll continue making our tacos. I think I have enough cheese. Is that enough cheese for you? More?
Yeah, that should be good.
More.
Yeah, maybe one more.
All right, we'll be back in a little bit.
So the meat was pretty lean, so we're not going to drain the fat out. But now I'm going to add some water and then the seasoning. So, let's see, 4 scoops, I think. Looks good.
Ooh, that's looking pretty good. Mm-hmm. Do you notice our stove top gets? See how dirty that gets?
Yeah, I know. We gotta clean it more often.
I know. You said that already. Thanks.
Yeah.
That looks good. So we'll have to season to taste. Now, I actually sometimes add a little salt and pepper. Do you mind?
Okay, go ahead.
And here's where I sometimes add some salsa, if I've got it, just to add a little more flavor in there. Or even your Ortega taco sauce. It really depends on how you like your taco meat.
Okay.
So we will come back now. And then I think the only thing we have to do is the refried beans. We'll heat them up in another little pot. And then we're going to make tacos.
I'm excited.
So just the refried beans now. The meats look beans.
Yeah,
the refried beans.
Beans.
So we just heat this up. Let me hold this for you. Ooh, a little sizzle. So this you kind of just stir. Let me know when you're ready. Yep, just got to get a nice heat to this. So we'll check this. Our meat is cooking nicely and staying warm on the other part of the stove. And we're almost ready to make tacos.
Ooh, tacos.
Wow, how cute is that? So you decorated this side of the kitchen too?
Of course.
Very nice. I was thinking maybe at the end here we can set up the camera and I'll just put some music on and show everybody all the different scenes you made. It's pretty cool. All right, so you're going to do the shells. I'll get some meat out here. There is our beans. And I'll put the cheeses in front here. We're really tight. This is what happens at taco night. You just put it all out and then it's crammed in on the table. All right. We forgot to add sour cream, so I brought some.
Oh,
Have it ready to go. Can you fit yours in there?
Yeah, here we go.
Oh, look at that. Now that's a festivity, huh?
Yep.
All right, so what I like to do, let me start because I have a new way of making my tacos. I have been taking a flour tortilla shell with a little bit of this. Can you reach there okay?
Yeah, it should be fine.
I think Taco Bell does something like this where they spread it on. Okay, did you want some of this or not?
I'm just going. Nah, I'm not a big fan of beans here, so.
Okay.
Oops.
And then I take some of this. Where'd that end up? In the cilantro?
Yeah,
I'll
that's
get it.
fine. I'll grab it with this.
No, I'll grab it for you. I love cilantro. Oh, you're going to get it? Okay, so that's what I do. And then I take that and I wrap that around my taco shell and I stick that really good like that. So I have a nice little vessel. And then let me take this, get some meat in here. Now sometimes I'll put cheese down. It just really depends on the mood I'm in. Are you that way too?
Yeah.
I mix it up.
Gotta mix it up a few times.
Yeah, and your eyes are bigger than your stomach and also
Definitely.
your shell to fit everything in. I'm going to put a little sour cream in here to kind of pack it down.
I'm just going classic. Everything on it.
Everything on it. Queso cheese too?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I can't wait to bite this. Look how cute the
Yeah, me
tacos
too.
look. No, that's a cute taco. This happens too when we're making it for ourselves. It's like everything falls everywhere and you're just
Yeah, it's a little messy.
eating it off a fork. And okay, that's all done. Take a little bit of that.
Take some of that too.
Okay, I'm gonna skip the tomato, but there we go. So I am set. Are you ready? Wow.
I'm ready.
That was like a well, we didn't. Well, we'll have to save this one for our guests. So I'm gonna have to decide what they want. How about everybody tell us in the comments what you would use for your taco here?
What are your favorite toppings?
Yeah. All right. So here we go. Bite.
Okay, bite. Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Here we go. Oh, you took a big bite. Super tasty.
Those homemade tortilla shells are really good.
Yeah, it tasted great. All right, so I would say overall, how would you sum up this video? Were you happy with how it turned out? Everything?
I'm very happy. Complete success.
All right, so what I'll do is I'll extend this video a little bit longer, and then I'll just pan the camera across slowly so everybody can see your decorations. And that's about it.
Until we see you next time.
Happy eating! If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.